Hello everyone and welcome back to our videos. Today we will talk about the hydraulic system component and design. Before we talk about this, we will take the hydraulic fluid features. The hydraulic must be able to flow with a minimum of opposition. Also, the hydraulic must be incompressible. The hydraulic has good lubricating properties to prevent wear in the pump and valves. The hydraulics inhibit corrosion and not chemically attack any of the seals used in the system. The hydraulic must not foam in operation because air carried into the components will give the system spongy action. Hydraulic recommendations. The first one, the working conditions. Number two, the surface required, temperatures expected inside and outside the system. Pressure the liquid must withstand. The possibilities of corrosion. The major characteristics that must be considered when selecting a satisfactory liquid for particular system are viscosity, chemical stability, flash point, and fire point. And we will talk about each of these individually. The first thing we will talk about is the viscosity. Viscosity is the internal resistance to flow. The viscosity of liquid is measured with a viscometer or viscometer. This instrument measures the number of seconds it takes for a fixed quantity of liquid to flow through a small orifice of standard length and diameter at a specific time. The second characteristics of hydraulic is the chemical stability. Chemical stability is the ability of liquid to resist oxidation and deterioration for long periods. The third characteristic, the flash point. The flash point is the temperature at which a liquid gives off vapor in sufficient quantity to ignite momentarily when a flame is applied. The last characteristic is the fire point. Fire point is the temperature at which a substance gives off vapors in sufficient quantity to ignite a continue to burn when exposed to a spark or flame. Now we will talk about the types of hydraulic fluid. When adding fluid to a system, the only fluid that should be used is the type specified in the aircraft manufacturer's maintenance manual or on the instruction plate affixed to the reservoir or a unit being serviced. Intermixing of fluids. If an aircraft hydraulic system serviced with wrong type of fluid, the system should be immediately be drained and flushed. The seals should be replaced or surfaced according to the manufacturer specifications. Now, the types of hydraulic fluid. The first type is vegetable-based fluid, MIL-H-7644. The color is blue. The type of seal used is neutral rubber. The second type is mineral-based fluid. This type, it has a configuration number is 5606. The color of this type is red. The type of seals used is BANA-N. The third type is synthetic fluid, or you can call it, or it has a trade name, is called Skydroll. It has color with light purple. The type of seal, bottle rubber. After we understand the types of hydraulic, now we will talk about each one of them individually. And we will start with vegetable-based fluid. This type, it has a number 7644. And this fluid was used in the past. This fluid is essentially castor oil and alcohol, and is used primarily in older aircraft. As we understand before, the color of this type is blue, and it used a natural rubber seal. Also, to take this in your consideration, this type of hydraulic is flammable. And this the type of our hydraulic. The second type, mineral-based fluid. This type, as we take, it has a number 5606 and is the most widely used hydraulic fluid in general aviation aircraft today. It's basically kerosene type petroleum product. The color of this type is red and it used BANA-N seal. Of course, because it's basically considered as a kerosene type petroleum, so it's a flammable type. The third one, synthetic fluid, and as we talked, it has a trade name and it's called Skydroll. This non-petroleum based hydraulic fluids, and it has number 8446, is used in high performance piston engine and turbine powered aircraft. The color of this type is light purple and the type of seal used is butter rubber. This type, because it's non-petroleum, so it has a fireproof or fire resistant. The Skydroll, it's quite susceptible to contamination by water from the atmosphere and must be kept tightly sealed. Compatibility with aircraft materials. Skydroll doesn't abrasively affect common aircraft metals such as aluminum, silver, zinc, magnesium, cadmium, iron, stainless steel, bronze, and chromium, and others as long as the fluid is kept free of contamination. Petroleum oil hydraulic seals of Nebron or Banaan are not compatible with Skydrol. So if the system used the mineral base or it used vegetable base and you used Skydrol, you have to change the seal because the Skydrol is not compatible with Nebron or Banaan seals. They must be replaced with seals of butyl rubber or ethylene propylene. Health